Ladies and gentlemen, Vince here. We have a brand new money-making platform on the market called Freecryp. But is it worth our time? Let's find out together. I hope you enjoy. Now everyone, this is what the platform looks like when you first launch it up. You're going to notice here that it runs on a point-based system, everyone, where 5,000 points converts into $1 United States currency. You can sign up with either your Google account, Facebook account, or simply with your email address. Once you've created your account, you are then granted access to all the earning opportunities. Now the first opportunities are the quick tasks. Now something to pay attention to here is that they either give you the pure USD amount of the reward, so this is $192 USD, or heading over to the little profile area on the left side of the screen will allow you to actually switch it to a point-based system. This converts the currency into points, and you can see this is almost 1,000,000 points, everyone, for that same amount. I think it's much easier just leaving it on the USD value. So Freecryp is a get-paid-to platform, ladies and gentlemen, which of course means the prices are going to change depending on where you live. So what you're seeing here is just my own experience in Australia. Before moving on though, let's check out the Cashout options. At least here in Australia, Freecryp has the PayPal option and 3 cryptocurrency options including Litecoin, TRX, and Binance Pay. For PayPal currency, which I focused on today's video, as we saw earlier, 1 USD converts into 5,000 points, and then you just keep on timesing it depending on the value. Pretty straightforward. For today's video, I targeted the $5 withdrawal, so I'll show you how I went in a few moments. Now in regards to Litecoin currency, the minimum is only 50 cents, ladies and gentlemen. TRX, 50-cent minimum, and Binance Pay, another 50-cent minimum. So super low cryptocurrency withdrawal limits there, everyone, which is excellent to see. The main way I was able to generate my currency was with the Easy Surveys option. This gives us access to 2 survey providers, one being Pollfish and the other being CPX Research. Now, of course, when it comes to surveys, you're always going to get disqualified or screened out no matter what you do, everyone. There's not going to be a perfect run by any means. I did find myself getting disqualified on Freecryp just as well as I would on any other platform. If you're not interested in surveys though, the premium picks area is the best solution. In fact, we have 7 different Offerwalls available, at least here in Australia, that we're able to go through to generate these rewards. Checking out Lootably, for instance, is going to reveal an Offerwall here with hundreds of thousands of points up for grabs. Remember, with Offerwalls, obviously they are very difficult to complete, but anyone that's had experience out there with a get-paid-to platform should know exactly what to expect. AH Studios, again, same concept, everyone. A Sea of Conquest offer 719,000 of the points. State of Survival, 747,000 of the points. Even Vortex Offerwall has so many different options available here, all mainly centered around gaming opportunities. I found that PubScale also had some of the highest paying offers on the market right now, at least here in Australia, with multiple offers, willing to give hundreds of dollars, everyone, if I'm able to go through and complete them. So that's definitely something you should check out, in my opinion. But you need to check out the Vortex Wall as well, as look at this offer here for 1,000,000 of the points for playing Wishing Well. Again, this is a multi-tiered reward, everyone. You can see here that the majority of the reward is going to be given at the bottom, okay, once you reach 5,000 meters. I just quickly wanted to say, everyone, if you enjoy what I do here on YouTube every single week, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the absolute world. Thank you so much. Now, if you want to have any chance of actually completing most of these offers, you more than likely will need to use your mobile phone. Freecryp should load perfectly fine through your web browser on the mobile phone, and as you can see, the offers have loaded through perfectly. I've had some questions in regards to offers not counting on get-paid-to platforms, everyone, and what I find when it comes to these offer walls, if you're not a new user, aka, let's just say you've used these offer walls on another platform, generally the offer wall providers won't count your progress on the new platform you're on, such as Freecryp. Take Revenue Universe, for instance. Let's just say I want to complete this animals and coins offer here for 100,000 of the points. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page is actually going to reveal all the details needed. It states you must complete this offer in full from install to finish on the same device. Changing devices will not result in crypt. New installs and players only. If you've ever installed or played this game, you will not receive crypt. That kind of ruling is not new, by the way, everyone. Most offer walls will have that kind of situation. Let's just say I want to start an offer on the Vortex wall. We have a game here called Thief Puzzle. Straight away, it'll give us the objectives here where it states we have to open and explore, and then we have to reach level 200 for the prize. So if I tap proceed to offer, it's going to take us straight to the Play Store. So once that's installed, everyone, technically at this point, the Offerwall should have tracked that the app is installed, and now everything should be in motion. Speaking of which, what on earth is this game, everyone? So look, with Freecryp, everyone, just like any other platform out there, you really have to measure up which offer's worth the time and effort. That's why I always recommend comparing the offer walls on every platform you go on, and Freecryp is no different. If you're curious about the status of your offer, simply tap on the menu on the Vortex wall, go down to reward status, and then you'll find the status of whatever offer you've actually started up. So this is a cool little way you can actually keep track of everything. Supposedly on the Vortex wall, rewards are typically delivered quickly, but in some cases, there may be a delay up to 24 hours, they're claiming. Now, for people that may have friends that want to join Freecryp, they have the invite and earn section. Interesting enough, they have like a tier-based system here, everyone. So the more people that you invite, the more better commission you'll get. So these type of systems may not be for everyone, but there might be some people out there that like referring people to get paid to platforms. It seems it goes all the way up to 30% commission, $5,000 worth of referral earnings, which may be a bit difficult to get. But it seems everyone starts on a 5% commission, which is pretty cool. Speaking of which, I will leave my Freecryp referral code in the description below if you guys want to join through my link. Completely up to you. So now that you know all that, is it actually worth our time and effort, and did I get my reward? At least here in Australia, ladies and gentlemen, CPX research surveys were willing to give me almost $1 for completing them. Granted, there were a lot of disqualifications, around 8 to 10 of them, but the prices were very, very solid. On the screen right now, you can see that I'm actually withdrawing my $5 worth of PayPal currency. Something that I will say though, depending on your country, you may need to verify your mobile phone, but surprisingly enough, everyone, within 20 minutes after activating that PayPal withdrawal, I was personally paid my currency without any issues here in Australia. So that was excellent to see. Something to mention here though, there was a PayPal fee, so please keep this in mind. By the way, on the main menu, you can actually keep track of your rewards just in case you're stuck in processing or you're just curious to see how it's going. So everyone, since it's a new platform, they're obviously going to be improving it as time goes on, okay? With such low PayPal and cryptocurrency withdrawal limits, I can't really see the downside essentially to at least seeing how it is in your own country. I'm sure with time, more higher paying offers will become available as well as different providers, so you definitely have to keep an eye on it. I think the best advice I'd have for you, everyone, if you can't really get the PayPal currency in your country, then when it comes to cryptocurrency, I prefer personally using Litecoin, especially since Freecryp only has a 2,500 minimum redeem point limit there, which is literally 50 cents, guys. Although granted, $1 is only 5,000 points, so realistically, if you just save a little bit more, you can get that PayPal currency, but then obviously you don't get the growth of a cryptocurrency asset. So you kind of have to weigh up the two, which one you think is really worth the time and effort. Obviously for today's video, I did choose PayPal, but next time around, I'm sure I definitely would go cryptocurrency. So that's pretty much all there is to Freecryp. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks to Freecryp for sponsoring today's video. I'll catch you all later.